Then we'll take the exhaust off, we'll take the gearbox off. We're going to take the starter motor out. We're going to remove the air conditioning pump from the side of the engine. Drive shafts out. When the gearbox is out, we're going to send that off to be completely painted and powder coated. The one thing I will say to each and every one of you people at home is that when you're taking anything apart, you need to make sure you know where the bolts go from. So shortly we're going to run up to Sainsbury's and we're going to get some sandwich bags and we're going to basically label every single set of bolts that come off. So if this doesn't go back together for, let's say, a couple of weeks, I know exactly where every single bolt goes. So I have inlet manifold bolts, rear body clamp bolts, drive shaft bolts, that kind of stuff.